What's going on, guys? We're gonna do a quick market overview of what I'm looking at for this week. I bought a mic the other day, guys. It was like $200 for one mic, right? And it said wireless. That was a big part of why I bought it. And I get home, and turns out I need to buy some wires for this wireless mic, which to me just makes absolutely no sense. They're marketing it as wireless, and it's not wireless. You clearly need to still buy wires. It's the Rode Go 2, something like that. Apparently it's like top of the line, but I digress. Is that nonsense? But yeah, let's talk about the market, what's going on, what am I looking at. Once I can get this screen recording going, boom, boom, boom. And boom. All right, so what am I looking at? I am currently in one trade, AUDUSD. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been talking about AUDUSD for the past, I think 2 weeks, maybe even 3. Yo, I've been selling this for so long, guys, and I'm just really annoyed at this point because it's testing my patience. I'm not gonna lie, it's been really testing my patience. So I'm looking at a sell right now for AUDUSD, and the reason why is because we got this level. If you hear, my dog is moving my mic, not my mic, my camera. But yeah, if you hear a lot of heavy breathing, that is my animal. I have a dog that's just wandering. I should put her in a cage, but okay, yeah, she's just. Hopefully it doesn't cause an issue. But anyways, we have this level right here, this resistance. As you can see, we get a rejection off of this resistance multiple times in the past. This huge area right here, multiple rejections. Look at all these rejections. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. We also get an attempt right here. Doesn't quite get there. Just nothing bad. We get this. This is amazing. That right there is lovely. We got these other levels here rejecting this resistance. And then we got a push down. We got another attempt here, leaving another beautiful wick. NFP happened, I believe it was this candle. So yeah, we got this nice rejection. NFP gave us this push, and I was thinking NFP would have, brought this market down a lot because we've been selling and selling and selling and trying to sell for so long. But I was wrong. It wanted to come up once again, which is where we're currently at. And I am still selling this. Oh my goodness, guys. I've been selling this for so long. I'm just tired of selling. My patience has been tested extremely with this one trade. But until we get a break above this resistance and, like an actual close, I'm going to keep selling. Why? Because there's a lot of pips to catch if this continues to reject this rejection, guys. This retest, this resistance. First take profit. If it rejects, you can start looking around this area, which would be like, the lows of the range, which is currently in. And even that is a significant amount of pips, guys. Take a look from where it's currently at with a nice stop, above this resistance. Was that 40 pips? 40 pips, which is nothing crazy at all. So if you blow your count on 40 pips, sadly, you are the problem. To catch 120, which is amazing. Look at that RR. That's a 3. I am targeting, however, I'm targeting the 6400. No, the psychological level, because I am looking at this as from a weekly weekly perspective. Okay, weekly perspective, guys. If we can get a rejection again, I'm hoping we can get this. Okay, I'm hoping we can get this, because this would be a double top created right here, right here. So I think that's what it's doing. It looks like it's creating a double top to inevitably come down here, boom, and then, you know, come here to test this support, turn resistance, and, you know, do whatever it does after that. So I'm playing this patiently, guys. I'm playing this patiently. You know, there's a lot of pips. This is about, 200 pip move, guys. With a decent lot size, that's a lot. It's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. A lot of money. So yeah, staying patient with that. Do not rush your trades. That's one of the biggest mistakes I used to make, was always rushing my trades. If it didn't move the way I wanted in a certain amount of time, I don't know why I would leave and like try to get into something else. And then a few moments later, guess what's happening? The trade I just left starts moving in the direction I was expecting it to do. And now I'm waiting a trade that's also not moving. So yeah, just wait, guys. Patience is key, guys. Patience is key. All right, so that's AUDUSD. Let's check out GBP/NZD. GBP/NZD. That is one of the other pairs I trade. So GBP/NZD, what do we see on this? Now this one is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If I was not in AUDUSD, I would be in this. Okay, this is what I would be looking at. If you're an experienced trader, you should already see what's going on here. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful head and inverted head and shoulders on a high time frame, guys. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And it's, if I give AUD a few more days, oh my gosh. If this, you know, forms structure to go continuation to the upside on the higher time, bro, I'm going to probably leave AUD and get in this, because this is so picture perfect, guys. This is literally one of those patterns that you see and it's like, yo, that's clear as day. Cannot miss something like this, guys. And this just has a lot of potential. If you look at it from a weekly time frame, it can just, you know, of course this would be the first TP, but even that is a lot of pips, because this is GBP. GBP tends to have a lot of pips. Look at that. Oh, 500 pips, guys. That's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, you freaking animal. Luckily my TV is there so I can actually see how I can kind of see how I look. Can you please move just for 5 seconds, please? Thank you. So I can kind of see if I'm in frame or not. So hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, inverted head and shoulders on a higher time frame. That's what makes this even more picture perfect, guys. Higher time frames. High time frames. Right? All right. So yeah, that's GBP/NZD. It's pretty straightforward. Don't really have to talk too much about it. It's about to line up with the moving average. I have the 200-day moving average because I swing trade. But yeah, this, you know, it's formed a double bottom. Right here. Let me move this other. Let me move this. But yeah, it formed a double bottom right here. Something is telling me, I mean, it could possibly, oh my gosh. Like, there's so much other places you can go right now. You choose right in front of me. But it should. She has one more time. Move. Move your big butt. Something is telling me it could continue from here, but knowing the market, it might pull back just a little bit to, like, you know, take out more people, because it didn't quite tap to 61. Let me go back to high time frame. Remember, guys, if you draw on your analysis, you want to be consistent on the time frames. Don't be all over the place. So we're going to do it from here. Boom, boom. Yeah, so it didn't quite tap that 61. And I would like to see a tap on that 61. Maybe even lower. Yo, maybe even lower. But I want to see it pull back a little bit more. Like today, I'm making this video. It's Monday. Typically, the market doesn't move in a direction that it wants to move until Tuesday-ish. Until Tuesday. So, yeah, it could probably pull back a little bit more. But that's GBP NZD. It's pretty straightforward. Nothing to really talk about for too much. And as you see, that's my actual markup. CAD JPY. Let's talk about CAD JPY. So for this is another one that's been just playing with me for so long. I don't know what's up with these two pairs, AUD USD and CAD JPY, but man, they have been playing. Oh my goodness. So for this one, give me a second, guys. Come, because you about to know it. So CAD JPY. I've been looking at a sell. I mean, it's buy right now, but overall it's a buy. But to me, this just looks so overextended. Like it looks like it's due for a pretty decent pullback. So I don't know. I'm kind of playing this as a. Let me see. I'm a little conflicted with this one, and it's like I feel like it's due for a pullback. So I've been looking to sell this. Right now, it could possibly be that because we got this resistance right here, broke above, right? Broke above, but then it came back down underneath, and it seems like it's forming structure to sell on the lower time frames. Under the fibs. It's just looking like it wants to sell. But I'm not going to sell it quite yet. I'm going to wait for, obviously something like this to happen again and then pull back up just to give it a little bit more confirmation that, yeah, this is ready to sell. Because right now, the overall time frame, the overall direction is a buy. But, yeah, it just is super ready to sell, guys. I feel like this is super ready to sell. Let me see. I don't know. But that's just me with, the experience I have. But also you want to be sure because like I said, the market is heading up. As you can see, look at this. This is an uptrend above the MAs, higher time frame. So yeah. CAD JPY is buy right now, but my bias is I want to see this shit drop. I want to see it drop. But who knows? It is a good buy right now. But yeah, that's just for CAD J. Kind of just watching this one. I'm not really entering it until, something else plays out. And last but not least, what's my other pair? NZD CHF. This is a beautiful trade, guys. NZD CHF is just perfection right now. So for this, higher time frame, you know how we do. Look at that. Break above the MA. That's my That's my my trend line. I'm not even gonna draw one. Actually, I'll just draw one because I'm, for the sake of the video. But yeah, pretty much mimics the MA. And look at that. Break above, resistance, support formed. And you got this one right here too. You could do like about something like that. I'll play this as a break above and attempt to go but couldn't. We got all these wicks. So yeah, this is just perfection for buys, guys. Look at this. Look how far this has to go. Like, look at that. So catch a buy on NZD CHF and just literally do not let go. Just don't let go because it's about to start heading up. And AUD USD, once that's done, played out, I'm going to be looking at NZD CHF as, my next long-term trade because, I swing trade. So I'm going to get some good positions on that. I'm going to hold that for a few, I mean, honestly, bro, you could really hold that for some time, guys. You could really hold this for some time. Just look at that. It's such a beautiful trade. And I feel like things like this do not happen too frequently because, like I said, this is a higher time frame. So you're catching the higher time frame switch. Like, look at it. It's been in a downtrend since since 2022. Since 2022, guys. That's 2 years. So imagine being able to hold this trade for 2 years to the upside. I'm just saying. Could set yourself up real nice with that. And right now is that time to do that. So yeah, I'll be looking at NZDCHF for some long-term plays. It's just a beautiful, beautiful setup, guys. Beautiful setup. And let's look at AUDUSD. Like, what are you doing? What do you want to do, bro? But yeah, that's it, guys. Don't want to draw this video out too long. So that's how I trade. That was a weekly update or what I'm going to be looking at for the week. Hope you guys found some knowledge. Catch you guys in the next one.